Hey there, book lovers. What if I told you the secret to mastering any skill isn't about talent? It's about how you learn. We break down life-changing books so you can level up your life. Today, we're diving into The Art of Learning by Josh Waitzkin, a book that'll completely change the way you approach growth, failure, and success. Whether you're learning chess, coding, cooking, or even how to play guitar, these principles will help you level up faster than ever. So grab a cup of coffee or tea and let's get into it. Who is Josh Waitzkin? Okay, first things first. Who is this Josh Waitzkin guy, and why should you care? Well, Josh isn't just some random author. He's a chess prodigy who became the real-life inspiration for the movie Searching for Bobby Fischer. But here's the twist. He didn't stop at chess. Nope. He went on to master Tai Chi and even became a world champion in martial arts. So yeah, this guy knows a thing or two about learning. In The Art of Learning, he shares his secrets for mastering any skill. And trust me, they're absolute game changers. The power of deep work. All right, here's the first big lesson. Mastery starts with the basics. I know. Most people want to jump straight to the flashy stuff, like advanced techniques or shortcuts. But Josh says, nope, start small. Master the fundamentals. For example, in chess, he focused on controlling the center of the board before anything else. Same goes for life. Whether you're learning guitar, graphic design, or even how to bake the perfect cake, nailing the basics is what sets you apart. It's not sexy, but it works. Embrace failure like a pro. Next up, failure. Ugh, I know. Nobody likes failing, right? But here's the thing. Josh flips the script. He says failure isn't something to fear. It's feedback. Every mistake is data you can use to improve. For instance, when he lost a chess match, he didn't sulk or throw his pieces across the room. Instead, he analyzed every move, figured out what went wrong, and came back stronger. So the next time you mess up, whether it's at work, in a hobby, or even in a relationship, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Stay present and crush it. Now, here's another gem. Stay present. Ever feel like your mind's all over the place? You're trying to focus, but your phone keeps buzzing, Netflix is calling your name, or that snack on the counter is staring at you like it's judging your life choices? Josh says presence is key. Staying fully engaged in the moment, not distracted by all that noise, is how you accelerate learning. Think about it. When you're 100% focused, you pick things up faster. So, put away the distractions and get in the zone. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Customize your approach. Here's the thing. There's no one-size-fits-all path to mastery. Josh emphasizes the importance of customizing your learning process. If you're a morning person, study then. If you learn better through visuals, use diagrams or videos. The point is, figure out what works for you and double down on it. Personalization is the secret sauce. Don't try to force yourself into someone else's mold. It's a recipe for frustration. Find your groove and you'll be unstoppable. Celebrate small wins. Finally, don't forget to celebrate progress. Josh says acknowledging small wins keeps you motivated. Finished a chapter? High-five yourself? Learned a new chord on the guitar? Treat yourself to something nice. These little moments of recognition add up and keep you moving forward. Seriously, don't underestimate the power of celebrating the small stuff. It's like fuel for your motivation tank. Real-life application. All right, let's bring this to life. Imagine you're learning a new language. Instead of cramming 100 words a day, which, let's be honest, sounds exhausting, focus on mastering 10 essential phrases. That's step 1. Start small. When you mispronounce something, don't beat yourself up. Use it as feedback. Step 2. Embrace failure. Practice daily without distractions. No phone, no Netflix, no snacks calling your name. Step 3. Stay present. Find tools that work for you, like apps or flashcards. Step 4. Customize your approach. And every time you nail a conversation, reward yourself. Step 5. Celebrate progress. Boom. You're on your way to fluency. Conclusion. So, here's the bottom line. Learning isn't about being the smartest or most talented. It's about having the right mindset and strategies. Josh Waitzkin proves that with focus, resilience, and adaptability, anyone can master any skill. Ready to take your learning to the next level? Grab your copy of The Art of Learning using the link below and start leveling up today. Oh, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more life-changing tips. Until next time.